Hello everyone, welcome to this video. So today I'm just trying to make a very abstract paint that can be done by anyone who have no basic understanding of how to do a painting but would love to play with the paint. So here I am just taking a blank canvas and pouring some white paint and mixing it with a bit of red, and then making the base of the painting. And then I'm just taking some liquid blue color watery paint, and right now what I have in my hand is a balloon, so that is soft and you will be able to take the paint in whatever directions you want. So just play with the blue color paint, as the base layer already has the white color. It is easy for the paint to be dragged, and just make that blue color flow in the canvas in whichever direction you want. And after the paint has started moving around, I'm just using a paintbrush to make some kind of a structure to that painting. So right now I'm just trying to make a shape of a flower, just dragging the paint from all directions and trying to do a circular flower like structure. Now I'm just going to add a bit more contrast by using liquid red color paint. Now just make sure that the excess amount of paint is not being put on it. Now just take the canvas and drag the paint in whichever direction you want the end result to be. So I've just dragged the paint in bit of a circular motion, and now it looks like at the tiles that we have at house, right? So the direction in which I have put those paint to move around is the direction of how it looks like in a tiles in our house. Now if you see here, if you see the close-up look of how the painting has moved, it has a lot of texture to it. It looks so beautiful. Anyone can try it. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe.